Welcome back to the White Family Farm Set. Today is a nice snowy day in Houston. We're gonna go ahead and let these dogs out to play a little bit before we take care of these animals. I'm gonna go ahead and feed these wild birds before I go back there. I just enjoy looking at all these different birds come in and eat. It's very enjoyable. It's so appreciative of all these different creatures that he takes his time to make. Without further ado, time to go back there and feed these other animals back there. I've been up all night just making sure they're staying warm, keeping the fire going and the heat lamps. Look like the ducks are still enjoying themselves back there. I know the water is cold, but I guess they... Hell no, I'm trying to let the chickens out. But if you look, they're just sticking their head out. They don't want to come out at all.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no, hell to the no.
I'll tell you this, I invested in this freeze miser here, and I have no problems with my water. Last time my hoses and stuff freeze, and this
trying the Beltway 8 overpass right now. Snowing a little bit more. Little more snow on the roads. Still slick. Still nobody on the roads. They didn't close it down. Oh, there's a... Right there, there's a guy. A crew guy. He has lights on.